It's really hard to reach to the top with your thumb because the phone is quite large. The the touchscreen is this touch the finger lock thing is quite fast. Camera actually is like it has been placed over the surface, so if you place your phone like this, uh, it will give like it can make some scratches on the camera. To be honest, camera quality is not bad. It's a good camera. You can have your own pro thing, and you can also have some auto phones, auto calls and all. uh, the capture rate is correct. The overall phone's refresh rate is also okay. The only thing I am afraid of is the liquid cooling thing is not really helpful, because I was transferring some data today from my old phone, and this phone was really uh, like it was heated a lot. So I think the temperature went quite up for the phone, so that means the liquid cooling is not that much good. Overall performance is okay, not as expected, but yeah, overall it's not bad, not good.